Hey there, guys. It's me, Joel Skyfly, with you here once again. Another fix it or ditch it video, and today I'm going to be doing a fix it and a ditch it. So we've got right here a pretty good sized limb that came down in this last blizzard storm, snowstorm that we got, and it's covering up part of my driveway here that leads up to my house. So I got my buddy Mike here. Mike is going to help me try to remove this limb so we can get it at least out of my way, and the spring we'll get the chainsaw out and finish it. But we're just going to get rid of the at least the long part there that's sticking out. So stick around and we'll see what we can accomplish here.
My feet are a little cold.
Feet are cold?
Yeah.
Why would your feet be cold? It's warm out. It's only, what, 15 degrees?
Something like that.
Oh, that's nothing, buddy. That's nothing. Wait till 2 days from now. Lows below zero, guys. Woohoo! All right there, guys, we got her pretty much cleaned up for the time being. Like I said, I'll have to come back out in the springtime with my chainsaw and finish the job, but at least we got her pretty much cleared. I can park my truck again, and hey, let me know what you think in the comments there, and if you like the video, please give me a thumbs up. Hey guys, on this cold one, we'll see you next time. Take care. Peace. Bye-bye.